Yeah. Yeah. Check it out. See, the only thing you need to do right here is just nod your freaking head. Yeah, here we go now. Tell me what you really wanna do. Come here, man. Talk to me. You look like you can really give it to us. I know when you're talking, the way you try to walk for me, the way you really try to put it on the guard. Doing it like I never did before for me, the way you break your back and I break your neck, and the way you try to put it on the floor for me. So let me do this. Know when we come, we be making it fly, the way we making it hot and making it up.
Rock your body.
Misdemeanor on the floor, pretty boy, here I come. Pumps in the bump, make you wanna hurt something. I can take your man, I don't have to sex some. Hang him out the window, call me Michael Jackson. I'm a pain in your rectum. I am that bitch they don't slept on. Heavy hitter rhymes, spitter, call me rerun. Hey, I'm what's happening. Number one, drums go. Huh. Let's get it. No doubt you play it real cool, homie. Got me thinking, what is it you do for me? Tripping a little more than I should be. So let yourself go and get right with me.
I know I may be young, but I've got feelings too.
Shake that thing, miss. Can I shake that thing, miss? Donna, Jody and Rebecca. Woman, get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop. When the beat drop, just keep swinging it. Get jiggy, get drunk up, percolate. Anything you want, call it oscillate. If I don't, sexy ladies want.
Everybody here get it out of control. Cause misdemeanor said, everybody step. Everybody get loose.
Music make you lose control.
Looking so crazy alive.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. Peace up, A-Town.
Watch out, my outfit's ridiculous. In the club looking so conspicuous. And wow, these women all on the prowl. If you hold the head steady, I'ma melt the cow. And forget about game, I'ma spit the truth. I won't stop till I get them in their birthday suits. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes. Then bend over to the front and touch your toes.